Hi everyone, welcome to English with Bruce. I'm Bruce. Today is lesson 21. Ever had one of those moments when everything is smooth sailing, then out of nowhere, bam! Someone comes along and wrecks it all. In English, we have the perfect idiom, pull the rug out. It means suddenly removing help or support for someone, especially when they're depending on it, leaving them in a tough spot. In Korean, a similar expression would be 뒤통수를 치다 or 발을 빼다. Let's see how we can use this in real life. Business setting. We spent months negotiating the contract, but they pulled the rug out from under us and canceled the deal at the last minute. Personal setting. I thought we were still going on vacation together, but then she pulled the rug out from under me and booked a solo trip. Now, repeat after me. Pull the rug out. Nicely done. Every phrase you learn brings you one step closer to fluency. You're making great progress. Just keep practicing and stay confident. And trust me, Wednesday's lesson has something awesome in store, so don't miss out. If this was helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends so they can also learn helpful idioms for work and daily life. See you next time on English with Bruce.